This is problem number 10 on the sample test problems for test number 1. This is number 27 on page 110 of your book. Let f of t be the depth in centimeters of water in a tank at time t in minutes. A. What does the sign of f prime of t tell us? So it tells us whether f is, and then we know that f prime tells you whether the function is increasing or decreasing. So it tells you whether f is increasing. In this case, f prime of t would need to be a positive number, or decreasing. And in this case, f prime of t would need to be a negative number at time t. Part B, explain the meaning of f prime of 30 equals 20 and include units. So we'll start with the units. I think that will help us explain what that sentence means. So we've seen this before, but the derivative units of f prime are always the units of y over the units of x. In this case, we don't have, that's just something that I think is fundamental. I think you should have that accessible in your mind. In this case, we don't have x's and y's. We have t's and f's. So the upstairs is the units for f, and downstairs is the units for t. The independent variable is always the one that goes downstairs. All right, so let's see if we can write out what these units are in this problem. So it says f of t is the depth in centimeters. So f is in centimeters. So let's put centimeters up here on the top, divide by, and then we need the units for t, and t is measuring time in minutes. So down here is minutes. So somehow the units of f prime are centimeters per minute. And I think that makes sense, that it tells you whether the function f is increasing or decreasing, is the depth increasing or decreasing, and it tells you the rate at which that's happening in centimeters per minute. So if we wanted to explain the meaning of this sentence, f prime of 30 is 20. Okay, so first we'll start with the 30. So that 30 is the independent variable, that's the t. So at t equals 30 minutes, the depth of the water is, and then we could say it's changing at 20 centimeters per minute, but I think it's better to include either the word increasing or decreasing. And that's a positive 20, so in this case, f is an increasing function at this moment in time. So the depth of the water is increasing at 20 centimeters per minute.